I quickly now want to cut across to Mumbai, where Pankaj Upadhyay is standing by at Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh's residence. Apart from that tweet, Pankaj, has there been any reaction either from Anil Deshmukh or from the NCP, either officially or through sources?
Gaurav, for now, there have been no reactions from either the Chief Minister's office or from NCP as such. I'm right outside Anil Deshmukh's residence. What is happening on ground zero is there is massive police present right outside his gate and a distance of 100 meters as well. A big barricade has been placed at the center of the road. We are not allowed to even approach the gates of his residence. The police officials are not willing to say anything. But what we've been given to understand is that Anil Deshmukh is still in Mumbai. But right now, everyone is expecting some sort of a statement from the Chief Minister's office. Will he be giving marching orders to Anil Deshmukh now? Or will the MVA government take the blame for it? Because clearly, leaving the technicalities on and the veracity of the letter aside, right now the BJP has managed to corner the MVA yet again. The MVA is on the back foot yet again, and everyone is expecting some sort of a reaction because BJP at this point of time has launched yet another attack on not just the Shiv Sena but the MVA as well. And interestingly, the kind of reactions that are coming out by the BJP are very interesting, because all this while Shiv Sena has been saying that the BJP has been using the central agencies to not just malign the image of the state but also to build pressure on the state government. But now they are saying that they are ready for a court-monitored inquiry as well. Shows the upper hand that the BJP feels it has on the MVA government at this point of time. So
no reaction as of now from Anil Deshmukh, no reaction from NCP. Okay, but what about alliance partners? Shiv Sena, how is Shiv Sena? Because what we are learning is sources in the Shiv Sena seem to be indicating they're desperately trying to distance themselves from Anil Deshmukh. The Congress again, Charan Singh Sapra a short while back was telling me that we need more details in public domain. Also asking where is the evidence? So is there evidence in what the police commissioner alleges? Does he have corroborative evidence on the 100 crore rupees or all this conversation that took place that collect 2 to 3 lakh from every dance bar, restaurant and other establishment? 1,750 of these establishments. Even if you collect 2 to 3 lakh every month, you'll have 40 to 50 crore. The task was 100 crore. Where is the evidence? Pankaj, can you hear me? Is there any evidence? That's point one. Point two, will this be construed as hearsay? Or is this the WhatsApp chats? The WhatsApp chats, can that be seen as evidence or is that hearsay?
So Gaurav, clearly as far as the technicalities of the letters are concerned, as far as the truthfulness of the letter is concerned, that will always be investigated in the days to come. But clearly right now, this letter bomb, as it were, has exploded at such a time, in such a fashion, that it has clearly put the alliance partner on a back foot. And understandably, right now, be it the Congress or the Shiv Sena or the NCP would want to bide some time so that they can group together, think of a strategy to strike back against the BJP, because clearly with the way the reactions are coming from the BJP leaders, they seem to have an upper hand at this right now. So, and that is perhaps the reason why the alliance partners are taking some time before they can come out with some sort of a clarification or a reaction. But then more importantly, the fact also remains this allegations has been made not by some retired officer. This has been made by DG Home Guards Parambir Singh, a senior most IPS officer, and that too against the Home Minister of a state. And Shiv Sena cannot just say that they are distancing themselves from this entire controversy or the Home Minister, because the alliance partner form one government. Anil Deshmukh is the Home Minister of the state. Shiv Sena has the Chief Minister in the state. They have formed the government for the people. So I do not think so that Shiv Sena would be saying that they are distancing themselves from this because they are one unit forming the government.
Okay.
So that's the reason why I say it's going to be very interesting to see.
We'll be tracking that story. Absolutely. Absolutely. And we'll be tracking that story very closely. At this point of time, what we are also being told is that Parambir Singh has some other aces up his sleeve. Now, there is corroborative evidence in the form of witnesses in the form of police officers who were present in that room and others who were present in that room. So who are these others? That story and lots more coming up on the other side of a quick break. Stay with us.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.